In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an editable calendar into a OneNote. This is a simple and practical way to build a calendar directly inside your notebook, so you can type into it, update it anytime, and keep your planning organized in one place. The nice thing about creating the calendar this way is that it stays fully editable, so you can customize it for work, school, personal planning, or anything else you need. To get started, open your page in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're on the exact page where you want the calendar to appear, since that will help you place it neatly from the beginning. If needed, give yourself a little extra space on the page so the calendar has room to expand and stay easy to read. Once your page is open, go to the Insert tab and click Table. This is where you'll create the structure of the calendar. Since a standard calendar layout needs one column for each day of the week, you'll want to create 7 columns, then add 5 rows to represent the weeks of the month. This gives you a clean monthly view that works well for most months and keeps everything arranged in a familiar format. After the table is inserted, start by typing the days of the week across the top row. You can use whatever format you prefer, such as full names or shorter versions like Monday, Tuesday, and so on, or abbreviations if you want to save space. The top row acts as the header, so keeping it clear and consistent will make the calendar easier to use at a glance. Next, fill in the dates according to the current month. Begin by placing the first date under the correct day of the week. Then continue entering the remaining dates in order across the table. As you move from one week to the next, continue on the next row just like a regular monthly calendar. Take a moment to double check the alignment so each date falls under the right weekday, because that will make your calendar much more useful once you start adding notes, reminders, or appointments. And that's it. You now have an editable calendar inside OneNote that you can update whenever you want. You can click into any cell to add tasks, events, deadlines, or short notes, making it a flexible planning tool right inside your notebook. If you want it to look cleaner, just take your time spacing things out so the calendar stays readable and easy to manage.